If you're living an average lifestyle or below average lifestyle, I hate to say it, that's your choice. Being broke is a choice, especially if you live in America, because there's so many opportunities out here that you guys can tap into. And the only difference between where you're at right now and the millionaire version of yourself is the gap of information, right? The only difference between me and you is the gap of information. And I'm trying to bridge that gap on Sunday and teach you everything that I know. I have nothing to hide, being completely transparent with you guys. This is not easy, but being broke is actually harder than what I'm about to teach you, right? Not being able to pay your bills on time, being able to pay your bills on time, but not actually being able to spend the time that you have that's limited in this world with the people that you love. That's actually harder than doing this business. So again, the link is down here, or you can go to the link in my bio. So hopefully I'll see you on Sunday, where I'm going to be breaking down everything step by step, how to open up a wholesale account with big name brands, multiple methods, how to know what to sell, and how to know exactly what the profit is going to be. Because obviously, sales doesn't really mean anything. We're worried about profit, the money that you actually keep in your account. So I'm going to be breaking down how to know the exact profit before you buy anything. And I'm also going to be going over the first product that I ever sold to make my first 100K online profit when I was only 19 years old.